Hey guys, in this video we will discuss about the type of muscles. A muscle is a contractile tissue which brings about movements and is also known as motors of our body. Muscles have three types. They are skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are also known as striated muscles. Smooth muscles are also known as non-striated muscles. If we talk about the location they are found, skeletal muscles are found in our limbs, body wall, tongue, pharynx and beginning of the esophagus. Here is such an example in which the bicep and tricep is found in our skeletal muscle, and it is an example of our skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles, if you talk about that, they are found in the distal part of esophagus, urogenital tract, urinary bladder, blood vessels, iris of the eye, and they are also found in erector pili, muscle of the hair. It is an example in which they are muscles of our stomach, which is smooth muscles. And if we talk about cardiac muscle, they are found in only the wall of our heart. If we talk about the shape of the skeletal muscles, they are long and cylindrical. Smooth muscles are spindle in shape and cardiac muscles are short and cylindrical. Skeletal muscles are also cylindrical and cardiac muscles are also cylindrical, but skeletal muscles are long and cardiac muscles are short. If we talk about fibers, the skeletal muscles have unbranched and smooth muscles have unbranched fibers. Cardiac muscles have branched fibers. And nucleus, skeletal muscles are multinucleated, and smooth muscles and cardiac muscles, they are uninucleated, means that they have only one number of nucleus. Then skeletal muscles are bounded by a sarcolemma, and smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are bounded by a plasma lemma. And skeletal muscles, they are light and dark bands present. In cardiac muscles there are light and dark bands also present, but they are faint. Smooth muscles, they have not light and dark bands. And skeletal muscles and smooth muscles have no intercalated disc, and cardiac muscles have intercalated disc for communication between the cells of the cardiac. If we talk about nerve supply, skeletal muscles have nerve supply from cranial nervous system, and smooth and cardiac muscles have nerve supply from autonomic nervous system. If we talk about blood supply of the skeletal and cardiac muscle, they have abundant blood supply, and smooth muscles have scanty blood supply. If we talk about contraction, skeletal muscles are very rapid in their action, cardiac muscles are rapid in their action, but smooth muscles are slow in their action. And if we talk about the fatigueness of the muscles, skeletal muscles soon get fatigued and smooth muscles do not get fatigued, and cardiac muscles never get fatigued because smooth muscles may be fatigued. And if we talk about the actions of the muscles, skeletal muscles are voluntary in their action, means that we can control these movements. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are involuntary in their action, means that they are not under the control of our will. Thank you for watching this video.